Hello students, today we are going to give English text dictation test. So take out your English dictation book, open index page, write down serial number 11, today's date, lesson number 17, that is Animals Language Part 1. Now open a new page, write down today's date over here. Then the name of the chapter, that is Animals Language Part 1. Now write down serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll start the words. So the first word is porridge. 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 The second word is ability. 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 Third word is Doctor Dolittle. Doctor Dolittle. Doctor Dolittle. Fourth word is language. 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 Fifth word is excited. 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 Sixth word is clinic. 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 Seventh word is scratching. 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 Eighth word is interesting. 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 Ninth word is ought. 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 10th word is pugs. 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 Now students, I'll repeat the words. First word is porridge. Second word is ability. Third word is Dr. Dolittle. Fourth word is language. Fifth word is excited. Sixth word is clinic. Seventh word is scratching. Eighth word is interesting. Ninth word is ought. And 10th is pugs. After writing all the dictation words, parents are kindly requested to check the words. Put a right and give 1 marks if the word is right. Put a cross and give 0 if the word is wrong. At last, count all the marks and write marks in the index box over here. The answer key will be sent to you. Thank you.